All right, today we're gonna talk about floss and how it can help to bring blood flow and recovery to your muscles. We're gonna focus on the soleus. A lot of times when people might be having shin splints or plantar fasciitis, the floss will be very helpful. Also, just your ankle mobility for Olympic lifts or weightlifting is not the best. The floss can really help that out. So what we're gonna do is focus here. We're gonna actually take the floss, wrap it around the foot, pinning it down, creating tight pull on the back side, bringing it through. Just double laying on top of the band. Once again, this is compressing the tissue, allowing restriction of blood to the region. Oh, excuse me. And then we can draw circles, reverse. For about 30 to 40 seconds, you'll allow this to stay on, and then you'll go ahead and pull it and release it. What we want to focus in on, what I would consider a 1 to 10 pain tolerance. We want to get it at a high 9 to 8. So you really want to make some pressure on that and then just take it off as soon as you need to.